These are the gifts that are working on your fine motor and sensory skills. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and today's holiday gift guide and giveaway is sponsored by Educational Insight. All through the month of November, we're doing the holiday gift guides on the Purple Alphabet, where I'm gonna show you a lot of things that you might wanna add to your gift list. And in every video, we're also having giveaways, and there are a lot of good things up for grabs. A long time ago in vintage Purple Alphabet land, I introduced this design and drill concept from Educational Insights. They have expanded it to be so much more. So this one is actually the marble maze. And inside of here, you're gonna get one drill board, all these track pieces, 20 bolts, the power drill that has a little window on both sides where you can see the gears working, challenge cards, there's 10 of them that are double-sided, and you can even mount this onto a wall or use the two legs that are provided. This works the same way as the original design drill where you have a bolt. You can put it into here and use your drill to adhere the pieces. Oh, I gotta turn it the right direction. There we go. So that will put it in. And then you can switch it to reverse and to remove it. So you can create your own mazes, or you can use the activity cards that come with it. The activity cards are going to show you how to set it up. So in this case, it's saying to put the blue piece here and then our end of our maze down here. And all you need to do is line it up, take your little drill and add it to your maze. Once you have that done onto your board, you just use the pieces up here on the top. This tells you what to add to your maze so that you can get your marble to go from here all the way down to the end. If you get stuck, there is a possible solution because there's multiple solutions on the back that tell you how to achieve it. So I'm going to add on these pieces right onto the board, and with some experimentation, trying our marble to run through it to see if it works. And if it doesn't, we just take the pieces out, move them around, and try again. Lots of strategy, fine motor work, planning it out, and free play involved on this one. And I love that you can design your own. You guys are gonna like this one. It's Upsel. And this one is a strategic stacking puzzle. So they're recommending it for ages 7 all the way up to adult for 2 players. So inside this one, you're gonna get 40 Upsel puzzle pieces. There's a game base. This is what you're gonna play on top of. There is a die to play the game and a guide to help you learn how to play. So you start off by laying out all the pieces, and the players take turns picking one at a time. So the first player will choose one, and then the second player has to pick one of the same color, and they continue alternating until all the 20 pieces have been chosen. Whoever chose a piece last gets to go first. So all you have to do is roll the die, and the number that you roll is how many pieces you can play on their turn. So you stack that onto the game board. So in this case, I rolled 1, so this player can place 1 piece on. And the next person has a 2, and they'll do 2. Now, if you complete the board on your turn, you get to roll again. So it's advantageous to finish the board if you can. I don't think I can with these pieces, so let's just choose this one. 1, this person can. There we go. The level's complete, so we can roll again. You can also stack them on top of each other, just as long as it's not overlapping off the side. So I wouldn't be able to put a piece like right here because it would be overlapping on the side. I also can't put a piece like this because it would leave a gap underneath. And you keep on going until there are no pieces left or there are no moves to be made. If you roll this is a swap roll. This player gets to pick a piece from over here and swap out any of their pieces. But the trick is they have to play that piece immediately, and that is their turn. And then another person will go next. And then this player has run out of pieces, so they have won the game. Very easy to learn, very simple, great travel game. Even comes with a little pouch here that you can keep all the pieces in and take it along with you. This set really does come with quite a bit, and it's so really cute the way it's a cupcake theme. Even the box is part of the play. So this is the inside of the box when you open up. So don't throw that away. It's got like a little cupcake shelf in it, and you can use that for your pretend play. Then we have all of our little cupcake wrappers in the 5 different colors, and they all have matching flags and little candles to use with them. And then we have all of our Playfoam. I've got my purple ready here to make a cupcake. 5 different colors of Playfoam, and it matches all the different colors. This set includes these cards, and I love that they're on the ring. I think that's really cool. We got the color cards with the yellow, pink, green, blue, and purple. But on the other side, we have zigzags, polka dots, stripes, hearts, and stars. So you can pick a cupcake order and do this like a cupcake shop. Let's definitely do the purple because, you know, Purple Alphabet. And we're going to need the purple Playfoam. If you have never tried Playfoam as a sensor material, then you are missing out. Playfoam is so pliable and moldable, and it sticks to itself. You can shape it in all kinds of different ways. And what's really great is there's no residue left on your hands, so it's a really non-threatening texture. A lot of times we might be sensory sensitive where where touching this might be very difficult for us, or we might be sensory syncing where this is just the most amazing feeling in the world. So it's a little bit tacky, not sticky, you don't stick to it. I really do like it and it doesn't dry out. So we can use this to make our cupcake. So we're gonna need our purple to match, so we're learning about our colors. Form it in here to make our little cupcake. That works, right? Then we need our candle, add to the top to match our picture. So there we have our purple cupcake. You can also put it in our shop in our box, but I think this is really cute. This is basically fine motor and sensory play all in one. So using all of the items you have to develop hand-eye coordination, it works on building your wrist and hand strength. And those are the skills you're gonna need for things like holding a pencil, tying your shoelaces. So squishing the Playfoam, squeezing, rolling, and it's a very calming activity to play with. And you can extend it. So think about making your own shapes, mixing the Playfoam together, using the box for the play, creating and working with the patterns on all of the cards and the flags. This is the Playfoam Sand Magic Reveal, and they recommend it for ages 3 and up. And you get so many fun things in here. There are 3 pounds of Playfoam sand, and there's 4 different colors. You got the pink, blue, purple, and yellow. You get the design station, a cylinder mold, a cube mold, 3 core molds, 3 tampers, a cutter, and a scoop. So this is to create satisfying color reveals. And so you can do a lot of fun mixing in here. This is your soft, soothing, sensory kind of activity. They do have a little guide in here to kind of get you started on how to use all the materials. First, you just need to attach the mold to the design station. So you get to pick which one you want to use. Let's go ahead and use the round one first, just for fun. Then you're going to add your colored sand. Of course, I'm going to pick purple. Then you're going to add a top layer, demold it, and then stamp down. Lift it up to cut out the center and then remove cutout from the top of the mold. Close and add layers of sand using the tamper to stamp it down. Then, it's the fun part, you get to slice and reveal. This is just using Playfoam sand to the next level. This is especially fun for the older kids too, who maybe want a little bit more in their sensory play. It's good for all ages, but even mine who are a little bit on the older side enjoy something like this. 11 tools with 4 colors and 3 pounds of sand. You are going to be set and be doing a lot of these. And now for the giveaway details. First of all, make sure you're subscribed to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel. Then head over to the giveaway link to officially enter to win. In today's video, you get to pick your prize. So anything I've shown you in this video is up for grabs if you should win. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address. And don't forget, there's so many more gift guide videos coming and some that I've already posted. So make sure to watch those and share these with all your friends. I couldn't be successful without you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next gift guide video.